Greetings from TaiyangNews. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the managing director of the publishing company, and I'm here at the Solar Technology Conference India 2026. And I'm very excited to have with me Gagan Chanana, the CEO of Jakson Engineers, one of the leading companies driving the industrialization of the Indian solar sector. Gagan, so can you just share with us your takeaways from the event so far?
So hi, Michael. Glad to be here with you today. So for me, experience is very unique because I'm attending it for the second time. I think last one was your first one. So I'm attending it for the second time. And more the better because I find a lot of change over last year. I think people who attended it for the first time had some expectations. I think you are coming very close to those expectations now with regard to the presentations, the quality of presentations, the quality of presenters which you have today, yesterday and today. I think it brings in a lot of knowledge to the people in India. We get a platform to get together to speak about certain key issues and the key challenges in the industry. I think everybody realizes that Indian industry, solar industry, is coming very fast. I think at a faster pace than what China would have faced a few years back. We have become kind of number 2 to China in terms of the capacities which we have developed over the years over here. Particularly the last year, there has been a big addition to both modules and cells is now ramping up with large-scale cell plants coming up for next 1 year. I think capacities are going to get ramped up beyond the consumption, domestic consumption in India. People are having challenges in mind with regard to what's going to happen to the industry, how they're going to survive, how they're going to sustain. Sustainability is a big question mark in the mind of the people. I think you are addressing all those concerns, giving us that peace of mind and a sound sleep. Because you are guiding us as to how we're going to do that, how we're going to face the challenges, what should be our focus, whether we should look at the volumes or we should look at the quality, we should look at ESG goals, we should look at carbon reduction, we should look at getting net zero for our companies, we should look at exports. What are the markets other than US, which has been the only market so far for exports? What are the other markets we can focus on? For example, Africa, Middle East, and now Europe opening up. Italy already has opened up to non-Chinese companies. Rest of the countries are likely to follow the suit very soon. I think it's all good things which you are talking about. The platform where you have some government officials also representing, which brings us a good platform to share our expectations from the government of India as to what should be done, how the policy advocacy has to work for the manufacturers in India, what should be the policy with regard to the incentives, with regard to certain protections which government of India need to provide to the industry over here to survive. I think it's a very, very good platform. So all the best to you for the things which you bring to India. And I hope you have a great future. We keep on having such conferences in the times to come and keep on benefiting Indian industry.
Thank you so much. So thanks for your trust and looking forward to see you next year again.
Sure. Looking forward again. Thank you.